subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe and press the bell icon near so that you get the notification of my new videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Shahin Vlogz. In today's video, I am making a side dish for biryani, the dalcha. This is very famous in Tamil Nadu, especially in South region. In marriages, biryani is served with dalcha. Without this, biryani is incomplete. Let's see how to make this traditional recipe called dalcha. Let's start the video. For dalcha, we require two varieties of dal. One is tur dal and the other is chana dal. I've already soaked these two in water for half an hour. Let us wash and cook it in a cooker. I have washed and taken two dals into the cooker, adding few garlic cloves. It will give a nice fragrance and it helps in digestion. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E. Adding this in dal will reduce the gastric problem as the dals will induce some. Adding roughly chopped tomato. A pinch of haldi or turmeric, adding 2 green chilies, until the dal gets dipped. That's it. Now we can wait for 3 whistles. The dal has nicely cooked. Let us mash it in a masher. This is a traditional masher which you will find in almost in every South Indian home. In Urdu we call it dal ghotni. Sounds funny, right? But it does the job. Ghoting the dal. The thing is, in this recipe we should not mash the dal completely. Then and there the dal should appear, only then it will look nice. It also will give good texture to the gravy. We are done mashing the dal. Now I have taken another vessel. Let's give a tadka. I am adding 2 spoons of groundnut oil. This is cold pressed. We usually use this in our home. It is good to use different kinds of oil in cooking as it is very healthy. Now let us add a teaspoon of jeera, green chili. Added 2 in the dal. Now I am adding few shallots. These small onions are really good compared to the big ones. So adding them. Now roughly chop. Let's saute the onion. We need not get this golden brown color kind of onion. Not fry till the onion get golden brown, just a little stir is enough. Now I have taken one medium-sized raw banana. I have just taken out the skin and chopped into cubes. We have to store this in water, else it will become dark. Now I am adding this. Let the bananas get cooked. I'm adding some brinjal. In traditional dalcha recipe, especially in the marriages, we add mutton pieces with bones. It gives such a rich taste to the dalcha. But now I'm not adding it. I've just kept it simple. Add the brinjal, the banana, everything will get cooked very soon. Let's add some dry masala, red chili powder, half teaspoon, and dhania powder, half a teaspoon. You can add more. Dhania usually gives good taste to this dalcha. Adding 1 more spoon of dhania. Time for the salt. Like Chef Harpal Soki, namak shamak डाल देते हैं, नमक शमक. Chef Harpal Singh Soki and his Tarwan Tarka is one of my favorite programs, and he's one of my favorite chefs. I think I'm boring. Let's add the dal into the veggies. Nice. The dalcha is a thick gravy, but this looks too thick. Let's add some water. This is enough. Let us cover and cook until the veggies get cooked. OMG, I forgot to add something. The main ingredient. Half a spoon of ginger garlic paste. What to do? No issues. Let us add now, but not directly. We'll fry in the oil and then add. Taking a tadka pan. Adding some oil. I'm sorry guys. This step has to be done after adding the onions. Let the raw smell of ginger and garlic go. You know, knowing one's own mistake and correcting it is itself an art. It will make you grow as a better individual. That's what I'm trying to do now. I guess it is done. Let's add this into the gravy. Mark my words, it tastes equally good. Rather, it will taste better. See? Yum! The flame is on high. Now, time for the garam masala. Half a spoon. Half a teaspoon. What's the difference between teaspoon and a tablespoon? Tablespoon is quite bigger and teaspoon is quite small. I guess. Comment it in the comment box. Let me know the difference. Stir, stir, stir. The veggies are not yet cooked, so I'm covering and cooking it again. The veggies are completely cooked. Now it's time to add the main ingredient without which the dalcha is completely empty. That is the raw mango. We all love the mango in dalcha. Let's add it. Big chunks of mango. There are few little pieces. I'm adding that also. If you don't have mango, you can add the tamarind pulp. As I'm adding the mango, it itself has the sourness, so I'm not adding any tamarind in here. The mango will get cooked very easily within a minute, so be careful. I'm just covering and cooking it for just a minute. It has to cook egg. Let's wait for a few seconds. See, can you see the dal here? This is the identity of dalcha. Dal should be like this. Only the tur dal gets mashed, but the chana dal will be visible. Nice. The mangoes are done now. The mangoes are done now. That's it. The dish is ready. Let us dish it out. Let me add some coriander leaves. And give it a stir. This is a thick gravy. It should be like this. If you don't like this consistency, you may add water, but traditionally it is thick. So guys, we are done making the traditional dalcha recipe. Do try it next time when you make biryani. I'm sure you will like it. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.